Warning: the stunts in this movie were performed by professionals, so for your safety and the protection of those around you, do not attempt any of the stunts you're about to see.
Normal power strips are fine, most of the time, but they can ruin your valuable electronics if they get wet, and they do nothing to protect curious children from serious injury. But now, there's an alternative. Introducing the Wet Circuits Power Strip. The Wet Circuits Power Strip is designed with several patented technologies, allowing it to supply electricity even if it accidentally gets wet, and also keeps you and your children safe from electrical injury. The Wet Circuits Power Strip is extremely durable and is even fire retardant, making it great to use any place in and around the home. Normal surge protectors can't compete with the Wet Circuits Power Strip's patented technologies. From the workshop to your home office, the Wet Circuits Power Strip will keep you and your electronics safe.
So what makes the Wet Circuit Power Strip so special? Firstly, we incorporate electricity-resistant materials into our patented design. Secondly, our patent design ensures the power is off unless the plug is properly inserted. It's safe even if children become curious and put their fingers or any metallic objects into the socket. Thirdly, the Wet Circuits Power Strip prevents sparks and carbon from building. On ordinary power strips, sparks are not prevented. In addition, the Wet Circuit Power Strip has an extra protection that temporarily cuts off power when the temperature reaches 212 degrees and can withstand temperatures up to 248 degrees. A regular power strip might only have fuse for protection. They are not equipped to protect you when the cord overheats and melts or burns. Finally, this power strip is 100% environmentally friendly, recyclable, hazardous-free, and perfectly safe for kids and pets. Ever had a power strip blown out due to water? The computer is still working. Hi everybody, I'm Jolene. Are you worried about spilling water on power strips by accident? Or have you had a power strip short circuit due to water? Well, we've got a solution for you. Introducing the water-resistant power strip. This power strip will stay working even if it's wet, rained on, or even soaked. It won't short circuit and it won't leak electrical current. What's so special about this ordinary-looking power strip? The power strip is water-resistant. Let's take a look. The light still works. Let's check the voltage. Nothing. Let's try another one. Nothing, even when it's wet. Let's try with more water. Let's check all the outlets. See? Isn't this amazing? Every outlet is working as usual. Now, let's try something a bit more scary. Here's a pair of tweezers. Hopefully, these are not my last words. I'm okay. I'm perfectly fine. Isn't this great? In this experiment, we're comparing two different power strips. First is our Wet Circuits power strip. Let's put it into a water tank. Next is an ordinary power strip. We'll also put it into a water tank. Let's make sure they are both working. Okay, it's working fine. Now, the Wet Circuits power strip. The same. It's working. Now let's continue with the experiment. Let's add water to the tanks. Let us see what happens. Wow! The light on the regular power strip died. The light on the Wet Circuits power strip still works. We will now try a different test. Every outlet on the Wet Circuits power strip has its own independent circuitry. Regular power strips don't. All circuitry are interconnected. Normally, if an outlet dies, the whole strip dies as well, rendering the power strip useless. Let's test and see. Add water to both tanks and see what happens. More water. You can see that the water has covered the first outlet, and as expected, the light stopped working. And the wet circuit's power strip is still working perfectly.